Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about a new lesson, that is force and pressure. Notes regarding this lesson I have given you yesterday only. So, in this lesson we will discuss about two phenomena. One is force and the other one is pressure. Today we will discuss about force. About force, you must have read a little bit in previous classes. The definition is a push or pull acting on an object, and it is a result of interaction between two or more objects in contact or at some distance from one another. That means if force has to act, there should be two or more than two objects and they should be in contact with each other or at some distance from each other. Then only force can act. After that, we will discuss effects of force. When force acts between two or more than two objects, various types of effects can be observed. One by one we will discuss about them. First is force can make an object at rest to come in motion, and vice versa also. That means if any object is in motion, it can come at rest. Second effect, force can change the speed of a moving object. Sometimes by the help of force, speed can be increased and sometimes it can be decreased also. Now the third effect of force, that is force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. That means if any object is moving in any direction, force if acts from another direction, it changes the direction of its motion. After that, fourth effect of force, that is it can change the shape of an object. By the help of force we can increase or decrease the size of the object also, and the shape also can be changed. So these are the various effects of force, and you can observe various types of examples which are related with these effects of force. Now one more topic we have to discuss, that is types of force. Based on the two objects or more objects which are either in contact or at some distance, force is of two types. First one is contact force and the second one is non-contact force. There are again different types of contact force. The first one is muscular or mechanical force and the second one is frictional force. Then non-contact force, when the objects are at some distance, then it is acting. First type of non-contact force is electrostatic force, the second is gravitational force, and the third one is magnetic force. And we will discuss about these different types of force with different examples in details in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.